Hey guys, and welcome to Smudgy's Top Tips. This is the startup sequence for the Focke-Wulf FW190 D9 Dora. Now the first thing that we need to do is to turn on the aircraft circuit breakers ready to get the aircraft to go. And we do this by lifting up the circuit breaker cover by clicking on it. You then got the battery, the aircraft generator, as well as all of the other circuit breakers, including lights and undercarriage switches there. We then close the cover. We then need to turn on the aircraft's fuel pumps, an MW50 pump with the last one there. And as you can see, the aircraft is now generating power. We then move the magnetos into both, the fuel selector switch into both. We then move the throttle out of off into idle cutoff. We then come across here to the startup cover. What we do is that we press and hold down the starter for about 15 seconds while the generator starts spinning up, ready to start the engine. And as you can possibly hear, you should start hearing a whirring noise, which is the starter motor starting to spin. Now once you hear it start to get to its peak RPM, which is about now, you pull the starter motor up and then the engine fires. And that is the FW190 started. The last thing to do is to close the canopy. Set the flaps to take off. And as you can see by the indicators there on the wing, the flaps are now down to about 40, 30, 20, so they're actually going down. There we go, so that's the flaps now in takeoff. And that is the FW190 now started up. This is Smudge. I hope that you've enjoyed this. We'll see you next time.